Battlefield 6 black screen and crashes. 1. Update your GPU driver. Install the latest NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics driver. Select Clean Installation if available. Restart your PC. 2. Verify Battlefield 6 game files. Open your game launcher. Go to Battlefield 6, Manage Properties, Verify or Repair. Wait until the process finishes. Launch the game again. 3. Clear DirectX shader cache, open settings, system, storage, temporary files. Select DirectX shader cache. Click Remove Files. Restart your PC. 4. Disable gaming overlays. Disable EA App, Discord, Steam, Xbox Game Bar, NVIDIA, and AMD overlays. Close MSI Afterburner and other monitoring utilities. Start Battlefield 6 again. 5. Reset Battlefield configuration. Close Battlefield 6 completely. Back up the game's configuration folder. Rename the configuration folder. Launch the game to create fresh settings. Test the game with default graphics settings. 6. Clear EA App cache. Open the EA app. Use App Recovery, clear cache. Restart the EA app. Launch Battlefield 6 again. 7. Repair Windows system files. Open Terminal as administrator. Run DSM online, clean up image, restore health. Then run SFC Scano. Restart your PC. 8. Repair Visual C++ components. Repair the installed Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. Install any missing supported versions. Restart Windows. 9. Disable overclocking. Return your GPU, CPU, and RAM to default settings. Temporarily disable GPU overclocking or undervolting. Test Battlefield 6 again. 10. Check Event Viewer. Press Win-X Event Viewer. Open Windows Logs, Application. Find the error recorded at the time of the crash. Check faulting application and faulting module for clues about the crash.